Brothers and sisters, in our continuing catechesis on the Jubilee theme of Jesus Christ, our hope, today we conclude our reflections on Jesus' public ministry with the healing of a deaf man who had a speech impediment. As we heard in the Gospel reading, in a gesture of closeness, Jesus took the man aside and healed him with his words and his touch. Today, many people isolate themselves in their desperation. They seem to have lost their ability to communicate, perhaps because they have often felt wounded and misunderstood in their interactions with others. We are in need of moments of intimacy with Jesus so that we can hear him say, Ephphatha, meaning be opened. He enables us to look beyond our own troubles and to put our listening and communication skills at the service of others. Just as the deaf man's friends brought him to Jesus, so we too are called to become witnesses of Jesus' healing power and to bring others to him so that they can listen to his words, experience his touch, be filled with hope, and be healed. I extend a warm welcome to the English-speaking pilgrims and visitors taking part in today's audience, especially those coming from England, Scotland, Ireland, Sweden, South Africa, New Zealand, Hong Kong, India, Japan, Malaysia, South Korea, the United Arab Emirates, Canada, and the United States of America. In greeting with particular affection all the young people present today who are participating in the Jubilee of Youth, I encourage you to open your hearts to God's healing love so that you can become even brighter beacons of hope in the world. God bless you all.